Now we're right at the car and we can beat everybody out.
Mm-hmm.
Just jump in and go. We're going tomorrow night too. Joey's got to work.
Tomorrow.
He's got to work from 9 to midnight.
Tomorrow? Is that?
Yeah.
For what?
Because of Junior.
Oh yeah, taking off. That's what he went this weekend, didn't he?
Who?
Junior went to Kentucky this
I
weekend.
think so. I don't know.
Erica didn't even go with him.
Yeah.
It's a family reunion. What's happening down there?
Junior don't like taking Erica down there.
Dude, it looks so bad on this.
Junior don't like taking nobody down there with him.
Yeah, no.
When I edit this, I'm gonna have to make it go in farther, make it clearer. Seriously, Joseph? He threw that at me.
Stop. They started it early too. They started at 9:30 exactly instead of 9:45. Didn't they say this will start at 9:45?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They only go on. They probably don't go on for half an hour, probably.
Seriously, so I'm gonna have to sit here with my hand like this for half an hour
Well,
for my YouTube channel.
I guess.
Well, this is messed up.
Cute.
Balloon, move out of the way. I'm trying to get it to focus.
Don't lean up against that corner.
I know.
Why didn't you bring the camera? Then you could have brought it in and out.
Because I didn't want to bring a camera and I don't have the cord to it, so it wouldn't really do any good.
If you drop my phone, so help me God, I'm gonna rip it.
I remember one year we came here with Gabby. I'm trying not to get anybody in this, but it's kind of hard when people is walking all over the place. Mom, what about the NBA fireworks?
What? NBA?
I thought that's what it was called.
WBN.
Yeah.
NBA. That's not
Have you been a fire?
September.
Yeah.
For my birthday.
Yeah. It's crazy.
I was gonna go up there with you, but balloon. Oh man, they can't see you. Hold on.
Bonnie won, not last year, but the year before, didn't she?
Yeah. I think she won twice.
She ain't married no more, is she? Her and Bill got divorced, didn't they? Move on.
Well, they were having all kinds of different problems.
Whose part was it? His, man? It had to be. Bonnie's not like that. Bonnie's a cool woman. It's crazy. And then she has 2 kids by him.
Well, no, she didn't have any kids by him. That was by her first husband.
Oh, so she's been married twice already? How old is she?
My age?
30. I don't know what age.
I'll be 40.
39.
She's 31.
She'll be 40 in September also. Her birthday, September 10th.
Dude, they're blocking this with
5
their.
days after mine. Who do you look like will be 40, Sean?
My date Lisa, she looks old. She started looking old. She's like 45, 46.
This is actually pretty cool. I see my friend that I forgot her name, but that's okay. I think it's Raven or something. Raven, I don't know.
Don't eat the paper, son. I know you're not doing garbage back there. I just cleaned all that out. I just cleaned all that out. Look, you got paper up there. No,
Quit.
I'm in the dirt.
Are you kidding me right now?
No, Father.
You can tell that it's coming from Harvin Park.
How long are these lessons? They don't last 30 minutes. Right?
Yeah.
Downtown don't last long 30 minutes.
Last year we didn't. Last year we didn't go. Why didn't we come last year?
Yeah, we did.
It poured the rain last year, remember?
Oh yeah.
Or before. It was pouring the rain before we got ready to come, so we decided not to come, and then it turned out to be a nice night afterwards.
Yeah, I think we ended up coming, I think.
We was at Christie's, remember?
Oh yeah.
We was out there and hung out with her and Danny.
You wet.
I want to go see.
Jeez, man.
I can't move.
Try and stop. Keep doing that. Smash your fingers.
Ow.
This is how I'm going to like.
You guys need to sit still. It's starting to sprinkle again a little bit harder.
That's true. I'm not getting wet. You guys are.
Sean, you know you can scoot over, right?
Trying to sit on it.
Right.
You know, you guys are getting all dirty from that back. Being so dirty. You guys should have put them bags of clothes back there and sat on them like they were bean bags.
Doesn't grab the bean bags or
No, stop.
the bags of things.
Too late now.
They said they spent like
Hey, Trent.
at Hamilton before July. They said they spent like $300-something thousand on fireworks.
I don't know where we're going to go tomorrow.
$300-something thousand on fireworks. I mean, they do buy from.
When we go to Hamilton, I don't know where we're going to go.
Then afterwards, we might go to. Can we go to Christie's?
Supposed to rain tomorrow too.
I know. Tomorrow's supposed to be Fort Hamilton Day. They're supposed to have something uptown. They're supposed to have a parade tomorrow and everything.
Sean, look.
But your brother's not going to do nothing.
Sean.
To be another.
Got me a beanbag.
Just like when we was at Bob Evans. That cracked me up. He knew he was at Bob Evans, but he wouldn't tell Josh what he was already eating.
Yeah.
Don't like really, you know.
I want to hang out with him.
That's so cool.
Shut up, babe.